used to spend almost 2 hours every day just sending the same WhatsApp messages to my student. But now it takes me less than 10 seconds. And you know what is the craziest part? I am reaching more people than before. If you are a teacher, coach, or run any kind of classes, you will relate to this instantly. You have students, you want to inform them about your master class, maybe a new batch, maybe a new offer, but only option you think you have is sending messages one by one. So you open WhatsApp, type the message, send it, then go to the next student, paste, send again and again and again. And after some time, you don't feel like doing it anymore. Not because it's hard, but because it is repetitive. So I decided to fix it not by working harder, but by changing the way I send messages. I started using broadcast features that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow. And the best part, I didn't just save time, I start getting more responses, more students and more leads. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I do this step by step. So to do this, we'll use a tool named as Pabbly Chatflow. I have tried multiple tools before, but this one is simple and actually works smoothly. The reason I like this tool is it's built for automation but still feel easy for you. Inside this tool, there's a feature called broadcast, and this is where the magic happens. Now for coming in this page, you have to open a new tab and search Pabbly pabbly.com/chatflow, and then you will become on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option, and after selecting the app as Pabbly Chatflow, you will arrive on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and the feature we are going to use today is broadcast. So I am directly jumping into it. Broadcast is the feature that are used to send bulk messages to your user. In simple words, you send one message and it gets delivered to multiple users. But here's the important part, it does not feel like a bulk spam message. Each user receives it like a normal WhatsApp message, and that's very important because people actually read it and respond to it. Now for doing the setup of broadcast, you have to click on this plus add broadcast. This is the starting page of setting up WhatsApp broadcast message, where you have to select the broadcast type that I'm going to select as broadcast campaign. Next, I am entering the broadcast name as event alerts. Next one is the contact list. Now before sending a broadcast message, you need to add a contact list. These are your students or the potential leads. You can upload their number, organize them and create your own audience. Now in order to add multiple contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account, you have to go in this contacts feature. I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the contact feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage contacts. Now for adding contacts, you have to click on this plus add contact button. After that, you can also enter contacts by manually entering its number and data. Now instead of adding contacts one by one, I'll tell you the smartest way, that is add bulk contacts, where you have to upload all contacts using CSV file. CSV file is nothing complicated. It's just a simple Excel-like file where all your contact is stored in rows and columns. So see, this is the file. Here you have to download this file in .csv format. See, the file is downloaded successfully. For uploading the file, you have to click on this. After that, click on this add new file and simply drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload file. Next, select the file from here and click on this insert. So this is how easily you can insert your bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, you have to click on this plus add contact button. Here I have already added some contacts and created a list too. You can also create a contact list by here. I created one by the name of new list, where I have added only 18 contacts. Now we will go back to our broadcast setup. Here I am selecting the contact list as new list. Next, the message type with two options, that is pre-approved template message and regular message. If you want to send a regular message, then you will select this option. After that, select the message type from here and enter the message in this field. But I preferred you to select the message type as pre-approved template message because the templates are approved by Meta that follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, you have to select the WhatsApp template from here by clicking on it. I am going to upload this event alert template. This is the template that I have already designed before. Now I am going to show you from where you can create this template. So for creating this template, you have to go in this templates feature. See, this is where you can create multiple types of templates based on your users. Templates are usually used for those type of conversation that was started from your side. You can also create a template by clicking on this plus add template button and follow the instructions. We have already created a separate video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. See, these are the multiple templates that I have designed before. After designing the template, you just have to select it from here and upload it. Now I'm moving forward to the next one, that is the username that I am entering is test user. After that, I just want to test this broadcast. So for that, I am entering my number here and clicking on the send test button, just only for test purpose that this template message is sending or not. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, automatically I received the template message. This means that our broadcast message is successfully delivering to the user. After testing, I'm moving forward to the next one, that is schedule broadcast. You can send the broadcast instantly to your multiple contacts as well as schedule for later. Here I'm scheduling this broadcast for later, so I'm selecting this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast for 29th of March at 7:20 p.m. So I'm setting it by clicking on this OK button, and after that I will click on this plus add broadcast. So this is how easily you can do the setup of WhatsApp broadcast message by using Pabbly Chatflow, and you will see the broadcast messages scheduled it on the day and the time that we have set it. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this button. Also export the report. Here you can see the status of sent, delivered, read, pending and ignored. And you can also resend the broadcast to failed contacts via failed status using resend button. So this is how easy it is. Now what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Your time is very precious, so save it. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. It saves a lot of your time and gives the real boost to your business that they really need. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.